To my sauce, I'm dripping and I got a check. You can bet that. Mom ain't with the feather leather shoes, I ain't do shit. Yeah, I'm leaking all this ice that's on my jewelry, got a wet. My mama lift you trick, then I'ma spaz. You can bet that. I'm pouring up a foreign double cause I'm sipping, yeah. I'm stacking up my rank, be climbing up, I'm getting fat. And just be wanting features like it's for you getting tagged. And they gon' always scream they gangsters till it's pressure. You can bet that. Rolling green, smoking no Supreme, blessing all your fiends. Ooh wee, do you feel me? This ain't TV. Look at me, posting on the block. This the green tree, serving outs, low key on the map, making money. I fuck it up, my brother whip it up, he got the wrist game. Run it up, my money counting up, nigga fuck the fame. 21, but this ain't Lil Savage, this is Latch, man. I'm cutting up your bitch, she suck me up, she got that fire brain. Picture this, diamonds on my wrist, I got a smooth fist. My pockets ran the showers while your pockets barely dripping mist. Common sense, run and jump the fence, the police taser miss. I run off in the store, I cop 'em black and cop 'em lemon bridge. My sauce, I'm dripping and I got a check. Mom ain't with the feather leather shoes, I ain't do shit. I'm leaking all this ice that's on my jewelry, got a wet. My mama lift you trick, then I'ma spaz. You can bet. I'm pouring up a foreign double cause I'm sipping, yeah. I'm stacking up my rank, be climbing up, I'm getting fat. And just be wanting features like it's for you getting tagged. And they gon' always scream they gangsters till it's pressure. You can bet. Latch get retarded, he go stupid, he meridian. The S pill in the butt, she catch a buzz, I know she feeling this. I'm knee deep in this game, I got my whole city behind me. That nigga way too fragile, he gon' break before the pressure hit. 28 grams, I serve a gram for the double piece. I do not smoke on scramble, she gon' fuck on 0.8 grams of weed. The way I get these passes, flip these racks, you can't compete with me. And shout out all my gangsters, just for you I had to slide this beat. Shawty said she love Latch, but she won't rat. She see dollar signs. Shawty, I am no rat, no I beat that, you ain't worth my time. I'm a boss ass nigga, I sit back, go and get back money on my mind. Too much krill out here like fuck that, I done stuck that, now it's time to shine. My sauce, I'm dripping and I got a check. You can bet that. Mom ain't with the feather leather shoes, I ain't do shit. I'm leaking all this ice that's on my jewelry, got a wet. My mama lift you trick, then I'ma spaz. You can bet. I'm pouring up a foreign double cause I'm sipping, yeah. I'm stacking up my rank, be climbing up, I'm getting fat. And just be wanting features like it's for you getting tagged. And they gon' always scream they gangsters till it's pressure. You can bet that.
Make a way so I can step. You play, you lay, so please don't slip. My Fritos, I get my chips, then dip. This situation deserve a sip.